Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Guys, we're here. You know, it's Sunday. We're ready to go to church. It's May 12th. And I'm giving you an update on the road construction. So they have scooted us over to here. As we're coming out of our road to the main road, they scooted us over to here. So we're all the way over here. We haven't ridden over here on this side, I don't think, before. I think this is our first time. Whoa, local mangoes. Okay, we got Chocho blocking the way. So I guess some are going over there on that side, but they've kind of blocked it off. Look at the mangoes, guys. Yummy. Those mangoes are the kind of mangoes that we have on our tree. So here we go, guys. Road construction is in progress, and they're really definitely making progress. So we're riding here. Some are riding up there. So like I said, once the main road is done, when you're just riding through like this, you won't have the chochos stopping in front of you and stuff. So you guys saw a good example of what I was talking about. You won't have them stopping, and they have to pick people up. That's how they make their money, and people need rides, right? So you won't have that. Big crane is going up there to do something. So you can't really see the progress going on up there, but there's been a lot of work going on. I've seen them up there a lot. So I'm guessing they're casting the concrete or something there. And this is the little side road. Here's the Corina bus. That big wall they made right there. So you see back there the way the road is, if you can see, you know, this will be the road, but it will be way up here. Oh, the dog got out somehow over here. The road will be way up here, and then you'll be gradually coming down. So I'm guessing under there, you know, will be either the traffic circle or just a way to pass under the main road. So the main road goes up and over, so that you don't, there's the red, black, and yellow house thing, or whatever it is. So you don't have to wait for the traffic, right? You don't have to have a traffic light or something, and then people crossing this way while you're just wanting to go straight. You can go straight through. So it's very, very good. That's gonna be very nice there. People are over there working. They're still working. They're casting this wall now. See, they've made the cement. They're starting to bring some filling over here. So you see that will put the road up. I guess this will be the wall. There's some of the forms for the gutter work. Yeah, they are, guys, working every day, every day. They're working out here. There has not been a day I've seen them not here. They've been here every single day. I hope I'm showing it good for you guys. Here's the gutter on this side. So this will be the access road that you come to. They will fill it all the way up to gutter level and you will access things here. Here's China Mall. There's the China Mall. So guys, I didn't tell you, we're going into Accra. Okay? We're going into Accra. There's the China Mall. See where that is in reference to the work. So those things that I'm showing you guys are like landmarks, so you can kind of see as we're going along. A lot of people going to church today. Not everybody. There's different faiths here too, but a lot of people go to church. Some go on Saturday, and yeah, police is here. I don't really want to video them. I don't mind, but I don't know if they mind sometimes, so you never know, they might like it. I know when we go to the farm, we pass, I guess it's boundaries. Like they have checkpoints as you go into towns and coming back out of them and stuff, and they all know us. They know my husband really, really well, but of course I stick out, so they remember me. They know me well. They're very, very nice. Very, very, very nice. Once in a while my husband gives them a little something to go and get them something to eat, because they're out there, they're doing their job. They're checking people to make sure, you know, nothing's going on really, I guess. You don't really have to worry about much like that here at all, but you know, they have their places they checkpoints. Ask you, like they know now, so they don't really ask my husband where he's going or what he's doing, but they will ask, like, what are you doing, where are you going? And you just tell them, I'm going here, I'm going there, whatever. So they know my husband normally is going, now they know he's going to the farm or he's going to his hometown to see his family. They know it's his hometown, so they don't have to ask you, you know, what are you doing in your hometown? But that's the experience with the police here, guys. It's very good. There's a lot of progress going on here with this walkway. So this will be a walkway, like an overhead walkway. You'll see some up here. If it's your first time watching the video, you'll see some up here further. A lot of filling going on. You see the machines there that will spread it and compact it. Yep. Got the gutter on this side they've done. There's a Gulf Energy. So it's a gas station. They don't have any gas right now. I don't think it's really open. You see how they're doing? Like they're really, really progressing here. You can see things clearing up, like where the roads will be and stuff like that. have some other pillars they're making. Not really sure how that's going to be, if the road is going to go up there, or if that's going to be like, you'll see the Poquasi interchange, if that's going to be like exits, you know, where they'll circle around and come down onto the, off of the main road, or get onto the main road. So I don't know if that's what that's going to be. That, if I had to guess, that would probably be my guess. And this is a Masaman here, so it could be one of those like curve exits where you can come, because a Masaman is kind of, it's not huge, but it's a pretty good section. It's really growing. It's growing, and as our area grows and other areas around grow, of course this little town right here will grow. So this is the market. It's been a while, guys. We haven't come to the market in a while. Like I said, we've been pretty busy and just getting stuff around. But it's nice sometimes to come to the market. You can really get things cheaper. Yep. So like, especially vegetables, if you want to buy vegetables, they're pretty expensive. I mean, I think they are. 1 carrot is 2 CDs right now, because I guess it's off season. A bell pepper, and they're kind of small. 2 CDs. Last time I got 3 bell peppers for 5 CDs. Yep. And tomatoes, guys. I got like, last time we got like 7 Roma sized tomatoes for 20 CDs, I think. Was it 20? I want to think it was 20, which is about right, because I've paid 10 CDs for 5 tomatoes. So tomatoes are kind of high. I know when you do it, the exchange to dollars, it might not seem like much, but we're not living in dollars here. We're living in CDs, right? So there's you another power tip. I told you, get your notepad and everything ready when you're watching any of our vlogs, because you never know the information that I might give you. But have your mindset when you come here to Ghana. Don't convert your money into dollars, right? Don't do that. CDs. If you're spending CDs and you're buying things here, think about it in form of CDs. Your money will go way further if you think like that. But if you want to convert it and say, oh, this was 15 CDs, so it was a little more than $1, that's not bad. Okay, that's fine. But if you come here and you're earning CDs, you don't want to convert things to dollars all the time. You come here for a reason, right? Not to convert your money back to dollars. It will help you budget, because things here can be quite expensive depending on what you're talking about. Here's the total filling station, Amasaman. And now we're on the access road, guys. So they'll bring it up to the gutter level. This road, when it's finished, when it's all paved and done, it will be up to gutter level there. Yeah, if you want to live your Western life and go out to eat in fancy restaurants and all that, it can be quite expensive here. It can be quite expensive. It can cost you as much as it does in the States. Go out for a really nice meal at a really nice restaurant, it will cost you the same. But for your everyday living, yeah, things are a lot cheaper for your everyday living. But if you're one who has to eat out at fancy restaurants and go entertain yourself all the time and everything like that. Make sure your money's correct when you come. Okay, here's the overhead walkway I was telling you guys about. I told you we would see one. So there it is. It has a ramp and it has steps. And it gets you over the road. So you see how they've casted each piece individually here. They didn't bring these pre-casted in. They cast them right here. The same with the gutters. Yep. Those kind of roundish looking forms I've showed you. That's what they use to make these gutters. And you see the line? So each place there's a line. That's where there was a form. And they've made it. They've done a really good job. This part is looking nice in here. So I'm pretty sure this is the access road, right?
Yes.
Okay, this will be the access road here. So, this place, you know, is someone's property. And this is the road. So, those of you who know the area or who have seen in previous videos, this is the Steve Ruth driving school for another landmark. They're putting a lot of loads of gravel there. Whatever type, you know, the road needs. Wow, guys. That's expensive right there. Very expensive. They're putting a lot of money into this road. They're allowed to go there because they're the part of the construction people. Gonna driving. And the construction company has placed those flag men and women over there so that they can help people cross the road. So it's very good service that they have done. This company has done an awesome job, guys, in my opinion. You guys see it for yourselves. That's why I'm showcasing it for you. And you make your own judgment what you think. But the way I see the construction, it looks solid. It looks like it's top-notch, high-quality road that will last. The way they're thinking it out. They're being very thoughtful. Hey, some pottery. Very thoughtful about, you know, how the water will flow and all of that. They've really done a lot. Would have been nice if this big giant truck wasn't blocking us, but the Lord knows. You guys still see. There's St. Moses for those of you who have been following along, so you can see where we're at. Aha, we get a chance to pass this big boy. Okay, here are the signs, but I used to cut it off here, guys, but there is more construction up here going on. We will take a look at it. You see how people are using the overhead walkway? Yep. It will be very, very nice. They're not supposed to cross the road through this fence. Sometimes they do cut a hole in the fence and they still cross. But they're not supposed to. It's not safe. So, do you guys see what I'm talking about? You see how these exits come? And you see the pillars I was talking about back there? That's why I was thinking that they're going to do something like this. This is Pokwasi Interchange, right?
Yeah.
So I think maybe they're going to do something similar at Amasaman. That's why we saw those pillars like that. That's my guess, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. I don't have any inside source on the road construction or anything like that. I'm just seeing it as we pass by, and I thought I wanted to share it with you guys so you could check out the progress, see what we're talking about. If you hear us talking about, you know, when the road construction is finished, it will be a game changer, and the prices of the value is what I want to say. The value of the property over there will really go up a lot. So those of us who have purchased already over in the area, yep, we look forward to seeing property values go up quite a bit when this road is finished. And those of you who are not sure if you want to purchase there or not, just know that the price of the property will go up. Definitely will go up. So this is it, guys. I know I add more things in besides the road construction, but it'd be pretty boring if we just sat here and didn't say a word. And we're driving. So there is that big house I always show you guys over there. Sorry guys, you see, it's bumpy. You see how slow it is? And the bump. Look guys, we're not even registering much on the speedometer, right? So imagine if we were able to go 50 or 60, right? Okay. So that is the big house. Okay, you'll see it on the other video when we're coming back too. I usually show you guys that as like a landmark. I try to find some landmarks that we can see each time. You see all this road construction I was depriving you guys of. So I don't know what that is over there. If that's another road, like that leads down there to them. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see when it finishes. Really feeling that place. Is that blacktop they put in or just stones? Okay. Oh, I think it's the stones. I think they've really packed those stones down in there. It's looking nice though, guys. Look at what I'm seeing out here. It almost looks like blacktop. Let's see if we can. Driving here is not easy, guys. Oh, they have some of those kind of blocks too. They're offloading. Yes, now we're at about 15-ish. I mean, we're moving right along. So you guys can clearly see the difference. I'm really happy they're doing this. And imagine if you buy somewhere else, right, in the country, if you buy land somewhere else, you're not going to get these road projects like this. I mean, this is the capital city, Accra. So obviously they're going to take care of that first before it filters on out to other places. So it'd be a really long time before they develop those other areas. So we are thankful. I'm really thankful at the place my husband decided for us to purchase land. So that's where we were riding, on that other side over there. This, I guess, is either a circle of overpass or something. Overpass. Yeah, so now we're here, but I think we were riding on the other side longer. I think we came in a little new spot. The pigs are up here, I think. I wish I could see the little piglets. The pigs are huge, guys. I always wanted to raise one and let it have little piglets. Let's see if we can spot some pigs in the pig farm over here. You see the construction. I know this is the road construction video, guys. But we're sightseeing along the way. This can be another landmark. And they're in there taking care of them. Don't see any just yet. Maybe we're a little far on this side of the road to see them. They're taking care of them. I didn't see any pigs. Not today. So what is this place called? Do you know?
This place is called Old Barrier.
Old Barrier?
Yeah.
Okay, Old Barrier. So that's where we are here. Got a broke down car, I guess. So I guess that's meaning this part that we just came through maybe didn't used to be part of Accra.
Oh, that side is called Dante.
Oh.
Dante School. And this is Old Barrier.
Old Barrier. I don't know, I'm just guessing Accra has expanded and is expanding. It's big though. Of course it's a capital city, but it's super big. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the road progress. I will do my very best and get Nana to help me remember. Nana, can you help me remember the video on the way back? Yes. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoy your day. Have a very blessed day. And we will try to video on the way back so you guys can see the other side because it looks different. Yep. All right, guys. Till next time. God bless you.